Welcome to today's lesson, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're taking a look at a poem by Miss Marcella Lewis called Lubuidu láfuaru weyu binafin. Lubuidu láfuaru weyu binafin. How beautiful the sunrise. Wariha luwagu wubu. We look at the mountains. Matiluma wewe. Such healthy trees. Hausu haweri dunuru. With all kinds of birds. Amuye giarugo hayo. With different types of feathers. Hausu haweri iliru. Hausu haweri iliru. With all kinds of game animals. Amye giarugo hagaburi. Amye giarugo hagaburi. Each with its own manner. Luwa we want do hawagu. For us to live on. Kati aduga lira. Wagara ragwa wariha baranaho. Ayaha sun haweri uduro. Lunwa bagari do hawagu. Who made this? We turn around and look to the sea. Here are all types of fish for us to live on. And that is it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 and 3.